Hanggang try sa top. Look, but yes, they have question, another question.
Woke up.
How you doing, sir? Thank you for serving. I feel safe now.
What you did in 1999 at the West Town Mall.
At the West Town Mall in 1999. Let me be funny, all right? You let me do that. And shouldn't you be in school? Huh? It's spring break?
Yeah.
Already? Well, they get out for everything anyway, so they got out for Groundhog's Day this year. That's why these kids don't know nothing now. Where you from? What grade you in? 7th? You're gonna be in 7th next year. You keep messing with me. You see what I did in 1999. Yeah.
Well, thank you so much everyone for joining us for tonight's show. If you're not headed to dinner right now in the central, we have our shush silent party all the way until 9 o'clock. And then later on, I invite you to join me at 10:15. We're going to celebrate the start.
Let's go! Nice. Let's go, Ezekiel. Let's go. Your phone, lab. Let's go. Let's go, darling.
Yep, I know it.
Nighttime. Nighttime.
Can we pop the balloon?
Balloon pop, maybe 10, lab, no? 10.
Can we do it right now?
No, that's gonna be 10.
Tomorrow?
Yeah. No, tonight. Balloon drop daw, balloon drop. Do the balloon.
The three funny places on the whole entire world.
Yeah?
The
Hiccups, hiccups, hiccups.
no,
Shots of sunshine.
both fun.
Yeah? Where you guys go?
Maybe a little after.
Restroom sa sila, restroom. Here they are. Tudrimi sa shopping area. Busy. Busy, busy. Palit me og tumbler. Dre po nilang arts po. Hindi ko lang arts. Gilis ko sila nga, naalang headphone. Yeah, we could go downstairs, watch.
Oh, for the lights?
No balloons.
Huh?
Oh, later. Later, pang balloons. 10. 10 talab, no?
Do you want to have a silent dance party? We got to get you some headphones, though.
I want to.
Let's go. Hoy. Statwa. 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 Nighttime. Yeah.
You could always go up and look.
Nag-shop me a little bit.
You got cake on my not yet. You should. I'll never play the
Naglingkod mga batsot.
You forgot to say.
While we're waiting sa among raffle.